Hey, hey. Hey, gorgeous ones, how are you tonight? Please say hi if you're hopping on live with me. Please say hi if you're on the replay. As tonight I am talking about self-love and self-love to help you manifest it all. Now, self-love is one of those things that has taken me a really, really long time to understand. And you see, people talk about self-love all the time. Yeah? Just got to love yourself more. You just got to love yourself more. Then you'll, be happy and all of this kind of thing, right? But the thing is, how do you love yourself if you've never been taught how to love yourself? Yeah? How can you love yourself? You can't love yourself if you haven't been taught to. But the good news is you can learn to, like I am, right? And you see, loving yourself isn't about being different. Like, this is just my perspective. This is what I've learnt, and I want to share it with you because, you see, self-love isn't about becoming something else or being perfect. It's none of that, right? And the more self-loving you are, the more whole you become, right? And when you're manifesting from a place of authenticity, okay? And when you manifest from that place, it's a much different place to manifest from because you're not manifesting to fill a void within you, okay? Because you are already full, whole, and complete as yourself, right? And you're just manifesting whatever you're manifesting because it's fun, because it's what you want to experience. You're not trying to manifest it to fill a void. Let me know if this is making sense. So, the self-love part is loving yourself so unconditionally and embracing yourself unconditionally and getting to know yourself deeply. And I mean all parts of you. This is where the shadow work comes into this work, okay? This is where those parts of you that, have been rejected and abandoned, right? When we embrace them and accept them, they start to heal and you start to integrate more, okay, into your authentic self. That is self-love. That is self-love, right? And like I said, the more, the more whole you are within yourself, the more you will manifest in your life because you're not coming from a needy, wanting, lack place. You're coming from the whole place. Like you already have what you want, right? Because you're already complete. And then when you put out to the universe what you want to create, because you're coming from a completeness already, you will manifest it and magnetize it really, really fast. Okay? Super powerful stuff. Let me know if it's resonating. And is self-love something that you struggle with? I would like to know. I would like to know if that's something that, you struggle with or you're working on or you would like to work on. Let me know. So, you are the center of your universe, right? Your reality out there is from in here and in here. So your thoughts and your feelings, okay? So what you think is what you create, okay? And so the more, how can I explain it? It's like the more that you're in alignment in your thoughts and your feelings, okay, and the more you have thoughts about how awesome you are and how amazing you are and how much you love yourself, warts and all, you will then project out there in your reality that, and it will be reflected back to you. And that's the beauty of this work. You will literally change your reality. Like, seriously. By doing this work. By loving you more. Because when you love yourself unconditionally, you sit in a higher frequency. So you don't really look at things like you look at things differently. You don't look at things like good or bad. They just are. And that way you sit in like an allowing and appreciation energy, which is of a very high vibrational frequency on the frequency scale, right? On the emotional frequency scale. Not sure if some of you have heard of it or not, but so that's how like you get up there on that high frequency and higher energy to manifest everything you want, because you're more open and relaxed and allowing, and oh, this is how, you know, I'm feeling anger come up. I'm feeling sadness. I'm feeling joy. I'm feeling bliss. And you're just allowing the energy to flow very nicely when you're in that loving state. You know, the universe loves you unconditionally. The universe is full of unconditional love. And unconditional love has no conditions on how you are loved. You are loved for yourself. You are loved as you are right now in this moment. Yeah? But a lot of people struggle because we haven't been taught to unconditionally love ourselves. We've been taught that we've got to fit in. We've got to be the nice girl. We've got to shut our mouth and be quiet. We're not allowed to be angry. We're not allowed to be joyful. We're not allowed to play. We're not allowed to be a child when we were children. Yeah, we had to fit into the family dynamic, and that's where it all went wrong completely. So anyway, I really just wanted to share that message today with you all, that self-love is the key to manifest everything that you want in your life. Let me know if that sounds amazing. Also, if you are new to this work and you are new to the law of attraction and manifestation, I do have a YouTube channel now, and on the YouTube channel I just dropped a manifestation and law of attraction test. So my YouTube channel is Intuitive Manifestation Queen. If you go ahead and go there, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos, and do the test. Do the test. Go out there, test the law of attraction and your manifestation abilities. You will be super amazed at what you can actually manifest. It's absolutely awesome. Alrighty, I hope you have an amazing night, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.